So today we are discussing PWM pins, and our little friends will help us understand the topic better. So we learned how to take digital input, output and analog input. We have one more command left to finish learning about the basic Arduino pins. It's called analogWrite, and we can use this command to make the Arduino output any voltage level between 0 to 5 volts. This begs the question, how can a digital device like the Arduino output a random voltage when it only has two voltage levels? Arduino uses pulse width modulation to control the output voltage level. PWM technique lets you set the voltage level by quickly turning the LED on and off continuously. This happens so fast that we don't see the LED blinking. Instead, we see the brightness of the LED drop. By adjusting the time delay, aka the pulse width, we can make the Arduino output analog voltage. In the Arduino Uno, only 6 pins support pulse width modulation. So if you want to use analogWrite, make sure to connect your module to one of these pins. Let's look at the circuit. The basic LED connection as before, but we are connecting it to a pulse width modulation pin. And in the code, set the pin as output. analogWrite has a similar syntax to digitalWrite. First the pin number and then the voltage level. But here 5 volt corresponds to 255 and 0 volt is 0. And if you want any other voltage level, you need to choose between 0 to 255. Begin simulation. And we can see the LED at full brightness first, and it will slowly fade out before going back to full brightness again. Let's see another simple circuit. This time we are using the analog input for the potentiometer to control the LED brightness. Setup as usual, and we have a variable named value that stores the input from analog pin. Now, here is an important info you should know. The range of the analog, you can see the range of the analog read is 0 to 1023, but for analog write it is 0 to 285. That is why you need to divide the first value by 4 before using it in analogWrite. Let's simulate, and we can control the brightness of the LED using this variable register. You can see it getting brighter and dimmer as I turn the register. So we learned how to use the basic pins of the Arduino. Moving forward, we will learn the other modules and sensors and their connections. Take care everyone, and see you next time.